How to copy your profile link on LinkedIn. So all you have to do is to go to your LinkedIn application here, and it will lead you here to your home page, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on your upper left, you will see your profile icon there. Tap on your profile there and tap on view profile. Now, the next thing that you want to do is here, you can see open to and add section there, and you will see three dots there. Tap on three dots there and tap on share via. There are four options. You will see send profile and messenger, and share via, contact info, and about this profile. Tap on share via, and here tap on copy. Now you have successfully copied the link. Now to check if we have successfully copied the link, your profile link, is you can go here to your notes and just simply paste it here, and as you can see, you have now successfully copied your profile link on LinkedIn. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.